In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check how many Gmail accounts are on your number. It's super straightforward and easy to do, but pay close attention to ensure you get every step correct. Let's get right into it. So the first thing we actually want to go ahead and do is go into Google and type in find my Gmail. And then from here we can go to this top link here which says find my email, and it's by Google Accounts. So we're going to click on this link here and it should bring up a page that looks just like this. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is put in the phone number which you want to check. So write in the phone number here and then press the next step button. Okay, so once you've gone ahead and put the number in, it's going to ask for your first and last name, but that's only optional. So just put your first name in. Now this step, it will tell you if there's any accounts found with that phone number and that name. For me, I put some fake details in, so nothing came up. But if you put the right details in, then what it's going to do is it's going to ask you to verify your phone number. And the way it's going to do that is it's going to send you a code to your phone number. It will be a 6-digit code, and it's going to ask you to input it here. So what you want to do is go ahead and input the phone number or the digit code into here, and then press the next button. Once you get to the next page, it's going to list out every single email you have that's associated with that phone number. And from there, you'll be able to check how many Gmail accounts have your phone number associated with them. You'll be able to see exactly what they are, and you'll be able to log into them from here if you want to check them, delete them, all that kind of stuff. But that's basically how you go about doing it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also comment down below that this video did help you out so other people can watch the same video and get the same great advice. Thank you for watching.